Today I'm cooking a very classic dish. It's so simple, a few basic ingredients in this recipe. It's nothing more than Southern Peach Cobbler. Company coming over, you have to make a dessert real quick. This is the one you want. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm John Woods with All Things Food, the channel where we not only love to cook, but we cook to love. And today I have a real Southern classic. I love it. Your grandmother probably made it if you lived in the South. And it's none other than Southern Peach Cobbler. So easy, just a few ingredients. It's gonna take about a minute. Company coming over tonight. I need a quick dessert, and this is the one you want. The first thing I do, I have a stick of butter right here, and I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna just melt that down. Now you say it's gonna burn in the oven. No, it's not gonna be in there that long. Now we have our simple ingredients. We have our flour. This is a self-rising flour. If you use an all-purpose flour, add about a teaspoon and a half of baking powder to it. So we're going to put that in our bowl right there. Now I'm going to do two kinds of sugar today. I'm going to do a white granulated sugar. That's about a half of a cup. And we want to really develop the flavor in this recipe. So I'm going to add about a half a cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of salt here. Remember, we're melting our butter. We're going to keep an eye on that. Now we're going to take 1 cup of milk and we're going to pour in there. And a little bit of vanilla extract. This is pure vanilla extract. However how you want. You can put almond extract, whatever you want to do. I've taken out my melted butter. See, I didn't burn that. That was just in there for a few minutes. That's 1 stick of butter in this 9 by 13. Here's our little mixture over here. There are 2 parts about a cobbler. There's the fruit filling, and then there's the crust or the batter that you want to use. And a Southern cobbler has a batter to it more than it does a crust, from what I understand. So we're making a batter right here. 2 cans of peaches. These are about, and I left those whole actually. These are about 2 cans, 15 ounces each, actually 15 1/4 ounces. Pour those right in there. You can dice these, you can cut these, but I like to put them in there whole, so we're going to put it in there. Now it's going to go into a 350 degree oven for about 45 minutes. We're going to come back and check on it. We're going to have some great peach cobbler. Wasn't that a simple recipe? A few ingredients. It took about 45 minutes. Company coming over. They're going to love this. Be sure to like the video if you haven't subscribed to our channel. I bring you simple recipes like this every single week. Remember, this is the channel where we not only love to cook, we cook to love. Go love some peach cobbler this week. See you next time. Absolutely perfect. Better than Grandma's, actually.